Hi, I'm here with a new video. This video will be about a new website, and I hope you guys will like it. And yesterday, I just already have told in Telegram channel about this website, and we have already started working on this. So yeah, without any further delay, let's start talking about it and what all jobs you'll be getting. Everything about it. Let's find out. Okay. So the website is Datamime. Okay, datamime.ai. If you go to datamime.ai, it will not take you to the website. Go to jobs.datamime.ai. Right, this is the website. And if anyone of you know about Tech Mahindra, so Tech Mahindra is a IT services company in India. So it is a big company and it has acquired Datamime. Okay, which is Datamime, which is a company of Gen 3. So Tech Mahindra have acquired it. So this is a very good company. Okay, so Datamime is something that we will be working on. So what it provides is Datamime will be providing us with UHRS. Okay, so now we are already working on some of the UHRS like ClickWorker. We working on the UHRS platform of ClickWorker. We are working on Teamwork. Okay, we are working on OneForma. Some are working on Appin. Some are working on LandBridge as well. Right, now this thing comes up, Datamime. Okay, now why this thing is a big thing, I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you step by step why this is a big thing and big than others and why it is better than others. I'll just give you a slight overview. Okay, first thing guys, this Datamime pays you directly to your bank. Okay, Datamime pays you directly to your bank account. Okay, you can always take a PayPal payment as well, but it pays you to your bank account directly. And PayPal, if you see, PayPal will take some of the amount as a processing fee, right? Dollar to INR conversion rate in PayPal is very less, like it is 70 rupees, I think it is going on currently. Here Datamime pays, last month it paid at 77 rupees per dollar. Okay, so this is a big thing. Okay, if you are earning 6 rupees, 7 rupees gap is a big thing if you are earning huge amount in UHRS, right? So this is one of the benefit of using Datamime. The same UHRS, you will be earning whatever amount you earn, you will be getting a higher payout rate, okay, in the dollar conversion, and it will be directly to your bank account. This is a big benefit, right? No PayPal, nothing. They will directly pay you to your bank account. And how their payment cycle works, I'll tell you. But let's first go into the platform and see what is it about and how to register on it, right? So the link of the registration is, I will provide it in the description, and if otherwise I'll tell you, it is app.datamime.ai, right? So this is a website, this is a page that you will see after you come into Datamime, app.datamime.ai. Okay, now as you are going to create a new account, click on sign up, right? In the email address, provide your Gmail address. Okay, and everyone asked me if we can create a same with the same Gmail account that we have in ClickWorker. Of course you can. This is a different platform. Okay, your Gmail can be same, but your UHRS live ID will be different. Okay, are you guys understanding it? Okay, so let's I'll just put a email address, any Gmail address. You can also put your ClickWorker Gmail address. Okay, any Gmail address will work. Okay, put a email address and create account. Okay, so guys, after you put in your Gmail address, okay, you will put your Gmail address over here. After you put and click on create account, it will send an invite to your Gmail ID. Okay, go to your Gmail and Gmail or anything, any of your personal mail account or any account. Okay, go to that mail and click on the invite link. Okay, after click on the invite link, it will come up like this. Okay, now fill in your first name, last name, put in 2 passwords and click on I agree to terms and conditions and create your account. Okay, I'll fill this and go to the next step. So yeah, you can see after you do that step, it will say you as registration successful. Now you can simply enter your email and password and log in. Okay, so guys, after you log in, you will be seeing this page. Okay, this is where the most important thing will start. Okay, so you can see there is secondary mail. Okay, this mail will be your UHRS live ID. So create a live ID. You know how to create a live ID, right? If you have worked in UHRS, you'll go to Outlook, okay, or Hotmail, create account there, and after you create account, give the email ID here, and that email ID will be your UHRS email ID. Understood? Okay, so this is the secondary email ID will be your UHRS email ID, right? Then place of birth, leave it. Then at place of residence you will put your city, state, country. Okay, just fill in these details. Okay, fill in these details, just fill only the mandatory details. Okay, and in phone number, put in your phone number. Profession, put in anything, right? Anything, you put in a employed, student, anything, right? After that, come to language proficiency. This is something that is important. This is not a mandatory field, but I'll recommend doing it, right? Put English. Okay, put English as a native in both, in all of them, right? Because you must be knowing in UHRS, English native is something that gives you more job, right? English native, and put Hindi or anything, right? Hindi or you can also put any of your language like Telugu, Tamil, any of your local language also as a native. Okay, you can put 2 3 languages, as many as you would like, put them. Okay, education, all these things are not needed. Directly go to how do you know about Datamime, put in anything, Upwork, LinkedIn, anything. I just put something Insta Hire, something like that. After that, just simply click on update, right? Simply click on update, right? You, once you click on update, this page will be done. Okay, and then what will show you, I'll tell you, okay, in the next step. So guys, this is my account. I have updated, and after updating, this is something that will show me, right? And so I will tell you some of the things that are important to understand now. Okay, go to settings. Okay, and then on security, click on security. See, you can see this is once you come to settings, as I have already enabled it, you have to enable this two-factor authentication. It is mandatory. Okay, this thing is mandatory for you. What it will show, I'll tell you this. There will be a QR code showing to you. Okay, a QR code will be showing to you. You have to go to Play Store, or if you are in iOS, go to App Store, download Google Authenticator. Okay, just search for Google Authenticator, download it, and after you download, there will be an option to scan a QR code. Okay, after you scan the QR code, this QR code, the QR code that will be provided here, a code will appear in that app. Okay, now every time you will log into Datamime, that code you need to enter. Okay, every 10 or 20 seconds that code will refresh in your mobile. Okay, in that Google Authenticator app, and that code will be required to required to log into this website. Okay, so now coming on to the payments. For payments, what you want to do is click on the payments. Okay, when you go to payments, you will see 2 types of payments. There is one bank transfer, one as a PayPal payments. Okay, for now the PayPal payments is disabled. I don't know why, but I hope they bring it soon. Okay, but bank transfer works seamlessly here. Okay, you just need to fill in your details: first name, last name, bank name, branch name, and all those, account number and IFSC code. Once you do this, put in your phone number that is linked with the bank account, right? Put in your phone number that is linked with the bank account, very important. After you do this, save account details. Once you are done with this, okay, it's you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. After this, everything is done. For UHRS, you don't need to apply anywhere. Once your account creation is done, okay, once your account creation is done, I'll get back to working with UHRS in Datamime. But before that, let's complete the payment cycle first. Okay, after you save the details, I'll tell you what is the payment cycle. If you see, there are the instructions. Here's the instructions. So they pay monthly. Okay, the payment from Datamime comes each month once. Okay, and what is the payment cycle? 1st to 30th or 31st. So suppose this is January going on, right? So from 1st January to 31st January, if you are working, okay, if you are working and made around $200, $200 in the first like this month, so entire amount will be paid to you. Okay, so this is the payment cycle. Okay, the payment cycle is from 1st to 31st January this month. So any amount that you make within this month will be paid out to you within 7 to 10 working days. That means February 7 to 10, February 7, within February 7 or within February 10, you'll be getting entire amount that you work for in UHRS, Datamime UHRS. Understood? Like in TW, in CW, the payment process, like this is one of the very good payment cycle process. Payment method is really good because they are paying very fast. Okay, when compared to other platforms. Okay, so this is one of the best thing. And also the dollar to INR conversion rate, they are paying at the best rates possible, best exchange rates possible. Last month they paid at 77 rupees per dollar. Okay, so I hope this thing continues, and if this will be the case, this is gonna be the best UHRS platform out there. But uh, instead of it, this UHRS don't have much hit types as Clickworker. Clickworker is the best UHRS platform when hit types are taken into consideration. Okay, the number of hit types in Clickworker is always high. Okay, compared to any other platform. Okay, this is always the truth. Datamime don't have a lot of hit types, but yes, as they don't have any exam, they don't have a big you know, in TW you have to apply, in Clickworker you have to pass a assessment, but here you don't have to do anything. Okay, just make your account, then go to my apps. Okay, and you can see here the UHRS app, click on it, and UHRS will open in this page. Okay, see, this has opened. I'll not show you, as UHRS showing the UHRS is confidential, as you guys all know. So see, this has opened the UHRS in the next page. Okay, and the UHRS you will open with your open with the UHRS mail that you, the secondary mail that you that I told in the beginning of the video, to create an account in Outlook and Outlook or Hotmail, right? So that is all about Datamime. And guys, when you initially open the UHRS from here, it will take around 24 hours, maximum 24 hours. Within 24 hours, hitups will start showing you. Okay, for the when you are starting up, like when you are creating your account, it will not, for the first time it will not show you hitups. Your UHRS will be blank. So wait for 24 hours. Within 24 hours, usually it is happening within 5-6 hours, but if it is not happening within 24 hours, you will be getting your hitups. Okay, your UHRS will be showing up all the hit types, right? So wait for 24 hours, and then your UHRS will be active. Okay, the Datamime UHRS will be active. So this is about it. And yes, one more thing I wanted to clear: please make a new account in that secondary email that I showed, that I told. Okay, in during registration, don't you, for the primary email address you can use the same Gmail ID, but in the secondary address, which will be your UHRS live ID, you will have to create a new live ID. Okay, it will not be same as Clickworker or Teamwork or anywhere. It will be a new Outlook ID. Okay, so yeah, that is all about Datamime. I hope you guys earn a lot of money from here. Okay, and I hope you guys you know, do a lot of earning, and I'll be back with a new video. Until then, bye guys, have a great earning month, and take care.